everybody. So I recently bought this solar motion sensor security light from Amazon, and I'm trying to do the unboxing video today. So basically this light has a lot of different features. If you would like to put anything outside on your front porch or your deck, so this literally doesn't need any kind of wiring. It just comes with a solar panel. You hook the light up, you hook the solar panel up, and you're good to go. So let's open the box. Alright, so first of all, you got the user manual. That's the solar panel. So you see the solar panel is rotatable, and once you hook up to any wall, you can actually place this towards the direction where you get the most sunlight. So if you get the most sunlight, that means you're gonna get more power for your lights. So that's the solar panel. As you can see, that's the light. Screws and the anchors. As you can see, the light looks pretty sturdy, and that's the motion sensor. So not only the solar panel, but also you can rotate and adjust the light itself, as well as the motion sensor is adjustable. You can see on the bottom it has the on off button, so on, off, and auto. Once you put this light on auto mode, the motion sensor will be activated, and it will be only turned on by itself when it senses a motion. This is the socket for the solar panel. You can just hook this up once it's on the wall. So I'm going to do the installation as well. I just wanted to show you that it's pretty simple. Just take this bracket out from the light just by sliding it. Once this bracket is on the wall, all you have to do is slide this light into the bracket just like that. That's it, and you will be done.